Hey everyone! Welcome to a magical journey where we explore the top 5 fun ways to make $1 million, all inspired by the creativity and magic of Disney Pixar. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Ever wondered how you could make $1 million? It's a dream many of us share, but it often feels out of reach. What if I told you that with a sprinkle of Pixar magic, it's more achievable than you think? Well, today I'm bringing you the top 5 ways to make that dream come true, inspired by the magic and creativity of Disney Pixar. Let's dive right in. These methods are not just practical, but also fun and engaging. Number 1, follow your passion. This is the foundation of any successful venture. Remember how Remy in Ratatouille chased his love for cooking despite all the odds? His passion drove him to success. Find what you're passionate about and turn it into a hustle. Passion fuels persistence and creativity. Whether it's art, music, or creating the next big app, doing what you love will keep you motivated and persistent. Your passion can be the spark that ignites your journey to $1 million. Number 2, innovate like Buzz Lightyear. Innovation is the key to standing out in a crowded market. Pixar's Buzz Lightyear always reaches for the stars with new tech and ideas. His innovative spirit is what makes him a standout character. Think outside the box and bring something new to the market. Innovation can be a game changer. From tech gadgets to groundbreaking services, innovation is key to standing out and making those millions. Always look for ways to improve and evolve. Number 3, network like Woody. Building a strong network is crucial for success. Woody's got that charm and those connections. His ability to build relationships is one of his greatest strengths. Building strong relationships can open doors you never thought possible. Networking can lead to new opportunities and collaborations. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and surround yourself with like-minded individuals. The people you meet can become valuable allies in your journey. Your network can be your net worth. The connections you make can provide support, advice, and opportunities. Number 4, save and invest like Carl from Up. Remember Carl's Adventure Fund? It's a great example of the power of saving. Saving money is just the beginning. It's the first step towards financial independence. Learn about investments, whether it's stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business. Investing wisely can multiply your savings. Make your money work for you and watch it grow over time. Investments can provide passive income and long-term growth. And finally, number 5, persist like Nemo. Just keep swimming. Persistence is essential in any journey. The journey to $1 million isn't easy, and there will be obstacles. But every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Stay determined, learn from failures, and never give up. Each setback is a stepping stone to success. With consistent effort and resilience, you'll reach your financial goals. Persistence pays off in the long run. So there you have it, 5 magical ways to make $1 million Pixar style. Follow your passion, innovate, network, invest, and persist. These principles can guide you to financial success. Remember, even the biggest dreams start with a single step. Take that first step today and embark on your journey to $1 million. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you next time. Keep dreaming big and making magic happen.